In this guide, I'll show you how to change the time or date of your Amazon Fire TV and also what to do if your Fire TV shows wrong time or wrong date and you can't figure out how to fix it. If your Fire TV shows wrong date or time, then it's probably because you have a different time zone or zip code selected. And you can fix that by going to the Settings tab, then Preferences, and after that, first from the list, go to Location and make sure you have the correct zip code selected. Then you'll need to head to Time Zone, go down to Time Zone once again, and take a look at the time and date shown at the right. If you see the time or date is incorrect, then just open the time zone list, first select your region correctly, and after that, choose your correct time zone. But in your case, if you have already selected the correct time zone, but it still shows the wrong date or time, then there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing that you can try is cold booting or soft resetting your Fire TV. For that, you'll need to unplug your TV from power, wait for around 5 minutes, and then plug your TV back in and check the time. And as you can't customize the TV's time or date manually, it depends on your network connection. So, you'll also need to make sure you have a stable internet, and also, if you're using a VPN, then you can try turning off the VPN temporarily and see if that fixes your TV's time. After turning off the VPN, you may need to restart your TV for it to take effect. But if this didn't help, then we'll also need to ensure our TV has the latest software. You can check for software update by going to Device and Software, About, and go down to select Check for Updates. If it says your Fire TV is up to date, then we are good to go. Unfortunately, if your Fire TV still shows the wrong date or wrong time, then the only way to fix it will be resetting your Fire TV to factory default. But note that this will erase all your TV's data, so make sure you really want to do it. So keep that in mind before resetting. But after the reset, your TV will have the correct date and time, and you should be able to get all your local channels and live TV broadcasts just like before. If this helped, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to support us, and I'll see you around.